Hello, my friend. It's me, Pastel. I'm so happy you decided to join me today. Continuing this week's Sweet Treats theme, we are drawing this amazing looking pie. So let's go ahead and get started. So first step, as always, I'm going to open to, oops, a brand new page in my sketchbook. There we are. There's the brand new page. Okay, and first, we're going to draw the pie plate. So you choose whatever color you like for this. Today I want to use blue-green. So the way we'll do this is let's draw two angled lines pretty far apart like that. Now let's connect them with the straight line across the bottom and a straight line across the top. Okay, now let's bring this line out a little bit and up. And the same thing on this side. We're just going to come out and then up a little bit, but we're not going to draw another blue-green line across here, and I'll show you why. It's because our pie crust is going to be covering it. So I want to use brown for my pie crust. Pie crusts are usually kind of brown, so I thought that would be a good choice. Okay, so for the edge of our pie crust, we're going to start with a very long wiggly line that connects the two edges of our pie dish. And then once you've gotten all the way to the side, then we're going to make a curve and we're going to come all the way back. We're going to draw some more curves. And there is the edge of our pie crust. Oh, look at it. That's looking like a pie already. Okay, now let's draw the top of the crust. And this is where all the delicious fillings are hiding. So from right about here, maybe about matching where the edge of the pie plate is. So from right about there, I'm going to draw a big, tall, curved line. This is a very tall, delicious pie. Okay, now let's add two little angled lines here up at the top. And these are special little holes that get cut in the pie crust. So that way when it bakes, the air can come out right here and the crust turns out like it's supposed to. All right, well, there we have it. Look, our pie is all done. What kind of pie do you think this is? Do you think it's an apple pie? Oh, maybe a cherry pie? What do you think? What's your favorite kind of pie? Well, I hope you had a lot of fun drawing this pie. It can be any pie you want it to be. Well, I hope drawing it brought you some joy today. Thank you so much for being with me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.